Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two dash cams against each other to see which one comes out on top. On the left side of the screen, we have the REDTIGER 4K dash cam, and on the right side, we have the Pilot dash camera. Let the battle begin. Both cameras claim to offer stunning footage, but who really delivers? The REDTIGER dashcam boasts a 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. That means you'll capture every detail of your drive in crystal clear clarity. Driving at night can be tricky, so having a dashcam with reliable night vision is crucial. The REDTIGER dashcam comes equipped with WDR technology and enhanced super night vision, ensuring visibility even in low light situations. The REDTIGER dashcam comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to your smartphone and easily access and share your recorded videos. Plus, it has a loop recording feature that automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam and the Pilot dash camera have both shown us what they're made of. While they both have their strengths, it's the REDTIGER dashcam that comes out on top with its impressive video quality, night vision, and additional features. Remember, always do your research and compare products before making a purchase. That's what we're here for at Buy Smart, to help you make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.